Greetings to you. COVID-19 is a very big subject being discussed by everyone and everywhere. COVID-19 has basically forced us to use mask. If you are not using mask, you are in a problem area. Similarly, we in industries have to use a mask to reduce down our electricity bills. From April 20, this electricity supply company has brought kVH billing. Before April 20, it was kilowatt billing. And if you compare both, at present, the kVH billing seems to be on a higher side, more than 3 to 5% to every customer. Now, to reduce down this kVH billing, there are two major actions we need to take in most of the industry. Power factor is the one which needs immediate attention. Power factor, if is properly maintained, to some extent, the bill has to come down and reduce down your billing. The second factor is harmonics. Now these harmonics, like COVID-19, are dangerous to the power system. They are asking to wear mask. Maybe it is single layer, maybe it is double layer, or a combination of which we normally call as hybrid. When we say a single layer, it is like a passive type of filter or a mask in our COVID-19 language. Passive filter, active filter, and a hybrid filter are the kind of filters available in the market. If we carry out a proper quality study of the power, we can definitely know which type of mask or a filter has to be used. Now for this, we have basically associated with Power Matrix Mumbai, and we have started providing services in Nasik industrial area for carrying out the power quality study. And the cost is very much negligible in terms of the savings what would be there after carrying out the power quality study and implementation of the solutions. For this, we would request you, sir, to carry out the power quality study at your unit as soon as possible, which will surface out your power factor correction panels problem if noted, and will also surface out the harmonics levels in terms of voltage harmonics or current harmonics and other related issues in the power quality system. So, sir, I once again request you to carry out the power quality study in your unit, which will save a good amount of money by reducing down the kVH units. That's all for today. Have a great day. Thank you very much. Be safe, be healthy, take care of your family, your business. Thank you very much.